How to withdraw funds from Phemex. If you want to withdraw your funds from Phemex, it is very simple for us to do so. What you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Phemex application, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Then what you have to do is tap on the wallet icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then once you tap the wallet icon located at the bottom right, this is the interface that you'll be able to find. Now there you can see the option called withdraw. Tap on withdrawal. Now we're not trying to withdraw crypto, we've already made a separate video for that. We're trying to withdraw fiat currency. So we will select the option that says fiat currency right there, and when we select fiat over there, we can simply choose a coin list that we want to withdraw. So let's say it's USD, I will select that. Enter the amount that you have, and let's say I want to withdraw around $100. I can select that, and I can choose a payment method, then I can tap on the withdraw button. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.